Are you tired of endless scrolling through irrelevant search results on Google? Well, the search game is about to change with the launch of Bing integrated with ChatGPT.
Now, as you've heard, Microsoft's announced plans to improve its Bing search engine to include artificial intelligence. A chat box will appear beside searches, allowing users to ask questions.
That's right, Microsoft Bing is taking search to a whole new level with the power of AI.
It is definitely a new day for search. The opportunity to bring and infuse AI and new chat-like experiences with the tools that people use the most on the web today, which is the search engine and the browser, is an opportunity to do something completely new.
Say goodbye to frustrating search experiences and hello to the future of search with Bing and ChatGPT. So, get ready for the most accurate and personalized search results you've ever seen. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at how this game-changing integration will revolutionize the way you search. Hit that subscribe button now, and never miss an update on the future of search. The new Bing search engine. Microsoft launched a new AI-powered Bing search engine on Tuesday, with ChatGPT built in. It marks a significant opportunity to challenge Google's dominance in search, according to CNN. Microsoft has been fascinated by OpenAI's ChatGPT since its launch in 2022, and has been investing heavily to develop it further. Here's why Microsoft CEO, Satya Nadella believed so much in ChatGPT.
Thing with AI is going to completely change what people can expect from search. We're grounded in the fact that, Google dominates this space. I feel like a new race is starting with a complete new platform technology. I'm excited for the users to have choice finally and a real competitive race out there.
I have never used Microsoft Bing to do any form of research, but that might change with this new update. You can expect the search engine to provide better results, more complete answers, a new chat experience, and the ability to generate content with links to sources. All these new features launched in a limited preview on the 7th of February, and users can join the waitlist for the full experience soon. AI-powered chat. The Bing search engine is now integrated with AI-powered chat functionality, thanks to the technology behind OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbot. It hopes to challenge Alphabet's Google in the search field, according to a report from theinformation.com. When these AI-powered features are fully launched, users can query the Bing search engine for anything from recipes to shopping tips, and receive answers directly in chat mode. The chat mode is a natural language interface that allows users to interact with the AI by asking it questions in a text-like format. The system will also be able to give answers by citing sources, links, and context on the right side of the page. AI-powered answers. Bing now has the capacity to answer natural language queries in a side-by-side format with a list of links on the left and AI-generated responses on the right. In addition to the new search results, Bing also offers a Chat tab that lets you ask follow-up questions and talk in a conversational way. It's not available in the demos today, but Microsoft plans to integrate it into the Edge browser. Despite its potential, ChatGPT's creator, the for-profit research lab OpenAI, warns users not to rely on it for anything important. That's because the AI is still prone to mistakes and it doesn't always write honest text. Bing is now improved to give users a more human-like experience with artificial intelligence, Microsoft's Chief Marketing Officer Yusuf Mehdi said. ChatGPT is a machine learning model, trained on vast swaths of text harvested from the internet. It then learns to generate a natural language response to questions and requests that people ask it. It also works well for other tasks, such as content creation and text optimization. Using AI to analyze text and suggest changes makes it easier to write top-ranking content that gets organic traffic. AI-generated content is a great way to save time on content creation. This also cuts down on resources needed for editing, curation, and quality checks. It can be customized to fit a client's needs. However, AI-generated content is not as authentic as handmade content and comes with a number of risks. It's also harder to discover and may not be ranked as high in search engines. Microsoft is retooling the search engine to be more conversational, and it's incorporating a ChatGPT-like chat interface. The new Bing can now instantly create an itinerary for a vacation, offer ingredient substitutions in recipes, and even annotate search results with links to sources and context. It's also able to generate content, like emails and social media posts, based on criteria that you set. Yusuf Mehdi, Microsoft's Consumer Chief Marketing Officer, showed off the new features at a media briefing today. He demonstrated how the Bing AI can summarize a 15-page PDF and translate a code snippet from Stack Overflow into another programming language. The chat interface is a sidebar feature in Edge, the updated browser, and it can be used to help answer questions and make searches more efficient. For example, Mehdi showed how the AI could quickly summarize a financial report and let users compare it to a competitor's report. It can even throw up purchase links to products and experiences.